Good afternoon, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's Channel. So it's another travel vlog. So it's gonna be like my 6th trip of 2021. I'm very excited. I'm gonna be going to California. I'm gonna be doing Disneyland. I haven't been to Disneyland in like a really long time, in a couple of years, and I'm really excited to go and enjoy this Labor Day weekend. I have a 4-day weekend, so I'm super excited. I'm really tired though, cause like, you know, the night before was opening night of Halloween Horror Nights. Went to bed like at 2 a.m. got up 8 o'clock in the morning, got that video out and up early, and then now I'm at the airport about to go to LAX. So let's head in and go catch my flight. For some reason, on my Delta app, it wasn't showing the gate. I mean, it just showed up now, but they have the gate numbers and arrival departures to know to see if it's on time and stuff like that. And I'm surprised that like for a Labor Day holiday weekend, it's not that bad. Like the regular wait time is about 12 to 16 minutes to go through TSA, but I have TSA pre-check, so we're gonna go use that. It's kind of like a fast pass. I love it. So TSA pre-check, gotta go this way, and you don't have to take no shoes off, no belt, no nothing, and it's really quick. You go in like 2 minutes and you're already there. So yeah. What are you guys' plans for Labor Day weekend? Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, if you have TSA pre-check, you go through this queue right over here. Alright guys, we're gonna be catching the APM, which means automated people mover or monorail or train or whatever you want to call it. So I wasn't rushing to catch that one. I'll get the next one because I'm like super early. So yay!
To the handrail. When the shuttle stops, please exit for gates 100 through 129.
So I'm finally at my gate, and you're gonna laugh at this, but like I took the wrong train, going to the wrong terminal. But then, like I said, I had a lot of time. But look, there goes that APM going by right now. You can see the tower and that. And they're gonna start boarding in about a couple minutes, and I'm really glad it's on time. It's not delayed. I haven't flew Delta Airlines in a long time, but it's a pretty good airline. Hello, how are you? Go.
Thank you.
Right, next. Yay! So just scanned my boarding pass, and we're gonna head on the plane right now. Excited. Hopefully maybe I can sleep on this. just landed in LAX, Los Angeles airport. Now I'm gonna go catch an Uber and then get to my hotel. My hotel is in Anaheim, which is like a 7-minute walk from Disneyland. So I'll update you guys when I get back to the hotel. Okay, so when I got to the airport, it was kind of confusing taking an Uber Lyft because you like had to take a shuttle and they drop you off in this area. It wasn't far, it was like about a 5-minute ride. But that's like an area where you can take Uber and Lyft, and I didn't know that because I'm so used to when you take an Uber or Lyft, they just pick you directly from the airport. But they don't do that here in California. Anyways, the ride from the airport to my hotel was about a 40-minute drive. But I like how close and convenient it is to Disneyland. Look, you can see Guardians of the Galaxy literally from my hotel. It's about a 7-minute walk. And where I'm going to be staying at is called Hotel Lulu. So I'm gonna give you a room tour and a hotel tour right now. So let's go. Alright, we're about to go into the lobby so we can go check in. Oh, this is so cool. I like the little Mickey. They have it right here in the lobby. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, let's go check in now. So in the lobby they also have a coffee shop, but it's only open, I think she said, from 7. I really like this mural here that says "Greetings from Lulu in Anaheim, California, Hotel Lulu." Alright guys, oh, I like how the elevator looks like you're surfing in the ocean. Alright, so we're gonna be staying on floor 7. Where you go, they have the hand sanitizers throughout the whole resort. So, and this is so convenient. My room is literally right by the elevators, so I don't have to like go far. So it's just like a basic room. It's nothing too fancy because I'm mostly gonna be out. So let's see the view from the room. Oh, nothing too fascinating, but got the lamps, and I like how they have a lot of outlets here to charge your phone. Has a bed. Let's go see the bathroom. This is your standard shower. Yes, basic, but like I said, I'm not really gonna be in the room this trip, so I didn't want to go all out because I'm mostly gonna be at the parks and doing all this stuff while I'm in California. It's a very short trip, but and then look at the refrigerator. So yeah. They also have a microwave and a safe and a little coffee pot. I also have a big closet if you want to hang your clothes or iron too. Alright guys, I have to freshen it up for a little bit. I'm gonna go downstairs to the bar here at Hotel Lulu. The girl at the front desk said you can get a free complimentary cocktail, so I'm gonna go use it and then go find some food around here. This is a look at the bar. It's pretty small, and I'm gonna show you the pool after, which is outside. So we're gonna be getting the, you said it's the blue Lulu?
Yeah, the house special blue Lulu.
Okay.
So it's called the blue Lulu because it's blue, right? Sorry, you did my job. Sorry, a little magic. For some reason, when you give it a mix,
then it looks purple.
purple.
Yeah. So it ended up turning purple, and what it is like vodka and like soda, I think, and then it has like lemon on top of it. I find it's quite refreshing, and if you want to come here, just make sure you come early because I asked the bartender and he was like, oh, it closes at 8:30. So this is what the pool looks like on the end deep side. I think it's about 68 plus meters. I'm not sure how much in meters, but this is what it is. At least the pool is open out later, but it's just too much people there and I'm too exhausted from my long flight, so I'm not gonna be using the pool. But they do close late at like 10 o'clock. So one of my friends recommended eating dinner at the 5th Rooftop Restaurant Bar, which is literally right across from Disneyland. And you can see the fireworks from up there and get some good drinks and food. So we're gonna try and see if I can get in. I think it's reservations only, but I don't know. We're gonna find out. This is pretty dope. Like I'm at the 5th rooftop here. right across from Disneyland and California Adventure. And look, you can see Gardens of the Galaxy and some of the rides there. And then I think fireworks are about 9 or 9:30, and we're gonna see them right here while I'm eating dinner. This is pretty awesome. This is the DJ booth, and then like this whole area is like where you can order food as well. There's a bunch of seating areas far. So they normally recommend reservations, but I just walk up to the bar. You can order food and just same way. The only thing is you just can't sit down. So basically, look at their menu. They have a lot of appetizers, like nachos, burgers, fettuccine, and then these are their cocktail menus. But I have a small stomach, so I decided to get the poke tacos, which is green apples, Cholula, sesame seeds for $14. I know it's gonna be really, really hard to see because the lighting is really bad here, but I got the poke tacos and look at this. It looks so delicious.
I know when, baby, there is nothing that I can do to make you do.
I wanted to talk about the weather here. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it, whether it be day or night, because it's so beautiful. It's like 75 degrees. There's no humidity like Florida. Back home when I'm from in Orlando, I'm so used to like walking outside, I'm drenched in sweat. Here it's beautiful. It's like the perfect weather. I love it in the 70s because it's not too hot and not too cold. So it's like you can wear shorts, you can wear whatever, pants, whatever you're comfortable with. I just love it. I wish back home could be like this all year round. All right guys, I just got out of 5th Rooftop bar slash lounge. It was really cool. I was surprised I was able to get in there. I just couldn't get a table to sit down, which I didn't mind because I'm here by myself. So I just wanted to get some food and see the fireworks from California Adventure Disneyland. Like I have never seen them before because the last trip that I came down to California, I only stayed during the day. I never came at night. So it was pretty cool to see it there. The food was good. It's conveniently located to my hotel, so it's walking distance. I couldn't really talk much in there because it was super loud. You know, the DJ is like right next to me. But it was good. So this trip from Orlando to California has been great so far. I got here earlier than expected, and I got checked in my room right away and got some good food for dinner. Now I am so looking forward to the next day here in California, which is going to be Disneyland and California Adventure. And if I have any extra time, I do want to explore more in California because it's like 2 things that I kind of want to try to do. Just try to cram in this weekend before I go back home. But yeah guys, if you enjoy this trip for me from Orlando to California, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next picture. Bye.